Hello everybody, this is box 2 of our high-end break here at freedomcardboard.com. Yes, Bucks jersey, Stovall. Base card, Warren Moon. Numbered 105 of 125. That also goes to Dean Tapp. First card is a rookie. Oh, and I just threw it on the floor. Wow. I have never done that before. Sam Hurd, the Cowboys. That also goes to Dean Tapp. Next card is another rookie, Antonio Cromartie. Rookie card. That's a good one to have. That goes to Dean Tapp. Should I just give him the boxes or what? We got a triple. This one is Horning, Leroy Kelly, and Gale Sayers. Horning's on there first. It goes to Billy Packer. Next card. That is a pretty sick card, to be honest with you. It's a Sonny Jurgensen. Look at that patch. I don't know what that's from. Some kind of shoe. Triple shoe card. Sonny Jurgensen. Numbered 10 of 10. Very cool. Let's see, next card. Someone said Peyton Manning. Not an autograph, but a nice patch. Jumbo patch. And this one's numbered 7 of 18. Oh, I forgot to see who gets the Sonny. Sonny goes to Drew Dienid. And last card, oh yeah. Joe Montana, autographed jersey card. Numbered 1 of 25. I'll take it. Well, that concludes box number 2. Be sure and check us out.